Okay, we have Shannon Tatum.
Now walk it out, Savannah!
Woo! And Jen Smith. What was that?
What was that? You wanna go? You wanna go? Your pinky. You're punching. I'm scared. You're scared.
Whoa! That was an awesome slam. You could hear it too. You definitely Superman'd her.
She's a hole.
Uh-oh.
Brett!
Oh, this is a cat fight over the beloved Brett. They both want him, but they can't have him.
That's for Brett! What do you think of that? Oh! How do you like that? Ho! Who's a ho now? You think it's funny? What now? Huh? You mess with me? You think you're cool because you're a furry little baby?
Watch out for the cement. Now they got the kicking down.
Trying something funny? I laugh.
I laugh in the face of danger.
Get off my friggin' bushes! Get off!
Fatty.
Get off! Seriously! You think they give you power? Yeah, I have to win this, man. Man, she did it again. My
5,
man.
4, 3, 2, 1. What? It's not done yet?
Press the button.